कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भुः मा ति संगोस्त्वा कर्मणि। Life is like clay on a wheel of pot maker, which can change its shape with time, zeal and efforts. But enthusiast, sincere, hard worker, simple and honest artist can only make shape of his own dream. In 1965, Sri Sitaram Goyal started a small rice business. Sri Devi Chand Goyal further carried this business to new heights. All these years of continuous committed service has resulted in the establishment of above said two giants in rice industry. Sri Vinod Goyal, Managing Director of the company, who is having an experience of 26 years of rice trade. Besides, Mr. Vinod Goyal, his two younger brothers, Mr. Vijay Goyal and Krishan Goyal. Knowledge is such a wealth which, if we spend, increases when compared to other kinds of wealth, which when spent decreases. We should try to spread as much wealth of knowledge as we can to make the world knowledgeable. Mr. Goyal, a noted philanthropist, a man who loves knowledge. He always thought that the children are the future of our nation, who are deprived from the right of education. One day, he decided and blessed to himself to start a mission to provide holistic education to the children of our nation and build a better world. So, he laid the foundation of a super speciality school, Cygnus, on Shahbad-Shah Panchkula Highway. This school is providing all kinds of facilities and curriculum activities to the students. But with this, his dreams were not fulfilled to his satisfaction. There remained much more to be done in the field of higher education. So, without any delay, he started a multicultural university, Galaxy Global Group of Institutions, pursuing excellence, approved by AICTE and Directorate of Education, Government of Haryana, and affiliated to Kurukshetra University. Galaxy Global Group of Institutions, located on the banks of rivers Markanda, the Vedically significant river. The campus resonates with the influence of the Gurukuls of ancient India. In face of the rapidly approaching future, it is our sole and unrelenting endeavor to inculcate the students with the true spirit of Indian tradition while providing the perfect medium for knowledge dissemination through the state-of-the-art infrastructure and academic facilities which are being provided at Galaxy Global Group of Institutes.
We have started Galaxy Global Group of Institutions to provide technical education to all with the vision of quality education. Galaxy Global Educational Trust has made a humble contribution to this gigantic task by establishing a congratulations of several programs in a variety of disciplines like engineering, management, fashion and apparel designing and computer applications. The programs are available both at undergraduate and postgraduate level. Our commitment for today and for the years to come is that we shall infuse our students with the best of tradition to Indian culture, and while discovering knowledge at Galaxy Global Group of Institutions, we will offer the best in terms of academic infrastructures and facilities on an international standards, and the perfect knowledge is what we have here.
Galaxy Global Education Trust offers dedicated professional programs in varied contemporary disciplines like engineering and technology, fashion technology and apparel design, business management and computer application, The courses offered by the institute include BCA, BBA, BPhD, MBA, PGDM, MCA, BTech and Pharma. All of these multidisciplinary programs are capable of being pursued at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels. We have acquired an extremely innovative team of professionals who are chosen specifically for transforming varied technical aspects of education into simple and practical lessons to help students understand the subject matter easily. The qualitative infrastructure together with Wi-Fi campus, smart classrooms, easy education loan facility, affordable fee structure, experienced and dedicated faculty, ERP system for 360-degree feedback, deluxe transport facility from Karnal, Kurukshetra, Yamunanagar, Ambala and nearby areas. Focus on industry-oriented projects and job-oriented softwares. Special focus on personality grooming and communication skills. Centralized AC campus with separate hostel facility for both boys and girls. Indoor swimming pool and other recreational and sports facilities allow an all-encompassing instruction system to blossom. The students are taught in a progressive learning environment with dedicated computer labs and fieldwork facilities. Cutting-edge technology is a significant focus at Galaxy Global. The whole campus is Wi-Fi enabled with high-speed internet. All computer laboratories are Cisco certified and fully integrated through LAN. All classrooms are equipped with audio-visual facilities such as LCD projector, etc. The well-stocked 3-tiered library is one of the most unique feature of this institution. A contemporary library is equipped with the latest books and periodicals from the world over. The students are provided with the opportunity to get first-hand instruction in their field through comprehensive training programs. At the same time, a dedicated placement cell is continuously involved in securing enviable placements for all the students. For the comfort of visiting parents, there is an air-conditioned guest house. There is also an in-campus students' mess, restaurant, attached lounge with every set of 3 rooms and medical center. The admission centers of the university are located almost across the country: Delhi, Karnal, Kurukshetra, Ambala, Patna and many more. While we build our communities, our nation and India's future, we are continually reinforcing our own foundation. Our vision is our mission.